Hey y'all, so today I am finally alive. Hello, welcome to the channel. So today was my first day of putting on makeup for the first time in like 3 weeks. I got home from the holidays with my husband, and then I was sick, he was sick, the whole family, all, like even my cat was like, we were just feeling it. And I'm just glad to finally be starting the new year. So happy new year to y'all. I hope y'all have the most wonderful 2025. It is not too late to start, to press the restart button. And yeah, so today I'm running errands. I'm gonna stop at TJMaxx for a little mental health, just window shopping, mental health window shopping, and we'll see what we see. And yeah, I've been listening to Mariah Carey. I've got my Clout Chaser sunglasses on. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling free. Oh my gosh, just breathing out of both nostrils. What an amazing thing. So yeah, let's get into it. I don't need a sheet set, but look at how cute that is. That's so pretty. Yeah, just so adorable. I love this one too. So cute. Pet beds are. That's a strawberry. I am obsessed. This is so freaking cute. I love that. This is such a cute bag. I need a bag, another bag, like I need a hole in my head, but I love the corduroy. And then look at this cutie, this little Love Moschino. So exciting. See how much this little gem is. Fun. So I'm out of TJMaxx, and I was so good. I stayed so strong, and I didn't buy a single thing, even though there were some really cute things in there tempting me. I was super surprised to see that Kevyn Aucoin skin glaze. That is beautiful. I wish they had it in the other shades because I would have totally picked it up in the other shades. But yeah, so super fun. And now I am headed to Target. Yay, so excited. They headed there to pick up some curtains. I just need a different color for our bedroom. Okay, so back from Target, and I was like gonna show y'all, but I decided not to take y'all in with me just because I was so overwhelmed. I was like looking, and we currently have these really cute pink curtains and coral curtains in our bedroom, and I'm just wanting something a lot more neutral. And I was having a hard time picking out all the colors because like I just hate the idea of millennial gray, and I wanted to go with a beige, but then the beige looked kind of yellow, and the green looked really cute, but it's just like so much color. I was sitting in there for like an hour. Let me just show you what I got. So I got this pair of Blackout curtains, and it's this really pretty green velvet, and it's super cute. So I got the pair of the 63-inch. This will go behind my bed. And then I got the 84-inch, which will go on the other side. We need to order the other one, but this will at least get us started. So yeah, that is what I've been up to. Oh my gosh, my brain is fried, but I still need to go to Walmart and get the last of our groceries. Okay, JK, we're going to Ulta. I'm so excited. I'm going to pick up a Sally Hansen Miracle Gel nail polish. I want a green. I'm currently wearing this cute white from OPI called Hue is Your Artist, which is cute, but I want something a little bit longer lasting and green. I'm thinking either like neon green or kind of like a deep green. We'll see. Also, if you're wondering why my lips might look weird, it's because I've tried the Sashu lip tint and like the lip stain, which is cute, like the lip liner, but I took it too low on my lips this time around, so I don't know. I'm struggling. I think it's cute and the product is definitely effective. I just need a little bit more practice on it. It was only my second time using it, and the first time I did like nothing so you can see anything, and then this time I did a little too much, so hopefully the third time will be the charm. Okay, I'm back from Ulta and I'm so sad because they had no real selection of greens. It was like lime green, which one of them was really cute and I was super tempted by, and then they had one like dark green, almost black green, which was also cute, but not what I was looking for. I was super bummed not to see more mid-tone browns and greens, but I did spot this Essie High Maintenance, which I think is so cute. It's totally opposite direction of where I was headed. And then I also found this Sally Hansen Smart Teas in this like cute baby pink color. And then I got another Miracle Gel top coat. So needed that, and now I'm gonna go get my bread and the rest of the groceries that I actually need. In my bedroom now, I brought home these Target curtains and I'm so excited. So I have some 63-inch curtains, a pair that will go right here behind me, behind my headboard, and then I got one 84-inch length curtain to put on this other window so we can see what it looks like. We have to order another one to make it a pair. But yeah, I'm so excited. They're these beautiful velvet curtains that are blackout curtains from Target, and I'm so excited. This single curtain was around $36 to $38, and the pair was $50. So I wish that they had a pair of these, but they were all sold out. So let's change these curtains so we can see what it looks like. I'm so excited. The reason that I was looking for curtains was because I love my pink and coral curtains, but they are just so pink and coral. I wanted something a lot more calming, a little bit more neutral, and green is definitely stands out against our white walls, but still I'm excited for it because I think it'll be a lot more relaxing, a little bit more tranquil in this room. So let's see. And I'm excited as well because these seem to be very heavy duty, thick curtains, well-made construction, I think, and so I'm excited to put them on my curtain rod and see how they look. They do have the option of tab or rod pocket and back tab. So this back tab is what I'm going to be using because I like that separation. But if you want to use the rod pocket, you can. And you can also add clips. So that's what it looks like. It already feels like the AC's kicking on. So yeah, it feels sturdy. It does add structure to that wall, I think. And it's very thick. It feels very nice. Feel like the touch of it, the fabric. Let me open up this 86-inch curtain. These curtains are from Pillow Fort, also a Target brand. To me, Target brand Blackout curtains have been the best curtains for Blackout, Target curtains have been the best Blackout curtains I've ever used. And I've ordered a few from a few different brands, and Target brands really do have the best ones because they have the very thick, heavy-duty fabric, and then the Blackout curtain lining, which is a very heavy fabric, very thick, and it actually is Blackout. So I have really loved it. So now, time for my other curtains, which are also Pillow Fort. Basically, my camera died, but I love the curtains. They're beautiful. I spent $100 today, and I am very thankful so far. So yeah, that's my review on the curtains. Now I'm going to go hang out with my kitty. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!